welcome back to Live Daily. Today I am going to be doing a short little video tutorial on my attempt to revive my 3-year-old hair extensions. As you guys can see, I look a little ridiculous right now because I have a scarf on my head. This is why, woo, child the ghetto, I literally can't. I am having a terrible hair day. More like a terrible hair year. I have always had long, beautiful, luscious locks, and about 6 months ago I made the worst decision of my life to cut them off and try a short look, and I absolutely hate it. But these are the extensions that I am going to try to revive. My extensions have been through it. They have been cut, clipped, dyed, curled, wanded, pressed, crimped, straightened, everything that you can think of, and they are in terrible condition. So this is really my last hope, trying to boil them with some silicone, and you know, I really hope this works, because if so, it'll save me a lot of money and a lot of time having to purchase some new ones. It was virgin hair and now she's not so Virgin Mary, guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's brush these things out and see if we can revive them. So let's head to the kitchen. Okay guys, so this is my kitchen. Welcome to my humble abode. For starters, we are going to need a large pot, and yes, it has to be large because you want to make sure that you are soaking every single strand. So I'm not really sure how much water this is gonna take, so I mean, guys, just fill the pot up. Alright you guys, so I have filled this pot up about halfway. I am just going to turn this on high because, you know, I know it has to boil. Okay, so now that my water is starting to come to a boil, I am just going to brush these out. Oh god, you poor things. Okay, so this is as good as it's gonna get. Oh my god, I just burnt them. Shit. Now it smells like burnt hair in here. Okay, so my water is boiling. I'm just gonna take and throw these in here. But now I'm going to take my silicone mix. The website that I looked at says to take about 3 scoops of it. 3 scoops of what? I have no idea, but I'm just gonna do 3 scoops of this wooden spoon that I have. And I'm just gonna like throw this in here. Okay, so it's time to let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and when they come out, we will towel dry them and see how they look. Okay guys, so it has been 20 minutes. I have finally turned this pot off, and my hair looks a absolute mess. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this on a towel. And I'm gonna try to brush this out. So great news, I think that this might have worked. They're a little tangled together right now, but I'm going to detangle these and try to comb them out a little bit. I'm not going to use a brush because I know you're never supposed to use a brush on wet hair. Okay guys, so I have combed and dried these extensions, and guys, I'm shook. Like, they look a million times better than they did before I boiled them. I will say that They are a little bit greasy right now, but I'm sure that can be fixed by like using less silicone and giving it a quick wash with some sulfate and paraben-free shampoo. I'm actually going to dye mine to match my hair color because of course boiling them did take a little bit of the color out. Yeah, I'm about to get to that and let you know how this goes. Alright guys, so I am back. I have dyed and washed my extensions, and I have also straightened my hair and them out. And you guys, for the moment of truth, I'm impressed. Like, when I tell you guys, I tried everything for these things and nothing has worked this far except this. I'm so serious, y'all. They're like new, and I wouldn't even believe these were the same hair extensions if somebody just showed me this. But I'm gonna go ahead and install these so I can show you guys how they look on my head. Alright guys, and here we go. This is the results of them, and they look so good. I am so happy that this worked, and you guys, I cannot tell you how grateful I am. Like, honestly, this has been the best beauty hack that I have ever done in my life. Yeah, I just saved over $100 by not having to buy new extensions. So if you guys have ratty old extensions, then I would definitely recommend trying to boil them with silicone. The only thing that I would personally do differently is probably use a little bit less, given that they came out so greasy and I did have to shampoo them. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty spot on and it's pretty perfect. But anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I will be back later in the week with some fresh new content. Bye y'all.